You want to get rich by trading meme coins, generating thousands of dollars every day? Let me tell you, it has never been easier than with Axiom. To avoid any scam sites, click the link in my description and you will get directed to the official Axiom website. I would recommend you signing up via Phantom Wallet. If you don't own a Phantom Wallet yet, here's our info card. If you do own a wallet, click Phantom. You will have to sign a message and confirm it. Pretty easy. Now you're logged in. Now you will have a recovery key, and it's really important to not ever show this key to anyone. So just copy the recovery key and save it anywhere where you can get it anytime. Okay, then we will get a quick tutorial how this everything works. We can just skip it because I will show you. Now you will see this website. Now you can deposit any amount you want in your crypto wallet, or you can go to portfolio and import your wallet which you have already created. And it will look a bit weird if you don't know anything about crypto, but we only need 3 main points: pools, trackers, and rewards. Let us start with pools. This is your screen where you will be sitting 95% of all the time. So we have new pairs, final stretch, and migrated. New pairs, here are the coins which are generated every second. You can see it, CZ Intercard, and so on. Final stretch are the coins which are about to migrate. What is migration? Migration is the process where Pump Fund creates a liquidity pool on Radium. Or from yesterday, Pump Fund has their own liquidity pool called Pump Swap. So from yesterday, everything will now migrate to Pump Swap instead of Radium. As long as a coin is migrated, it basically makes the token stable and more scalable. The bonding curve is about 50k market cap at this point. And when a coin reaches this specific market cap, it will get migrated. And on the migrated window, you can already see coins which have been successfully migrated, which are now able to go from a 50k market cap to 100k, 200k, 1 million, even 10 million, and further beyond. So let's say, okay, this Bobby dog, this looks interesting. Let's see, okay, going up now. DB means for dev buy. This means dev is still holding because we don't see a dev sell here. Okay, now we see it, good example. And you see the coin is popping up. This is likely the case because most of the times the dev has most of the supply. Depends on how many tokens he will buy, but many people are watching those dev sells. When a coin has a good viral potential, you will see people buying in right after the dev sells, because from now on the dev cannot rug pull you anymore because he already rugged it. So they get a lower entry, and when the coin spikes, they can sell for a good amount of profit. But this is just one of a few strategies which we are coming back later on. So let's say you would have bought at 5k market cap and you would sell right now, you would have a 50% profit already in 2 seconds. This is just an example at how fast this market works and how fast you can make money on Axiom. Here are your buy and sell settings. You can set your buys amounts customly. I would recommend you open the instant trade button. As long as you have selected your wallet and click on any of these buy buttons, you will instantly get a buy on the chart. And here you can sell your current amount, 10%, 50%, 100% instantly. You can also adjust your trading settings. So you can set up 3 presets, but the most important things are slippage, priority, and bribe. Right now, the slippage is at 20%. This means when I buy a coin at 10k market cap and during the process the price of the coin or the market cap goes to 15k, this means the buy will be deleted because it got over the 20% slippage rate. But if you buy a coin at 10k market cap and it goes to 11k during the process, then your buy goes through. Priority is basically a donation you give to make your process faster. So the more donation you give, the faster your transaction will go through. And then we have bribe, which is basically similar as priority, just a little bit more worth it. I would never set the bribe more than priority. You can also see it as a kind of donation, but I would definitely focus more on priority. And the sell settings are basically the same. I would just lower the priority and bribe for this because the sells are not as important as the buys. You have to focus on the buys. And you also have the MEF reduction, but if you want to know what settings are the best and cheapest, there's a video for you right here. Okay, now you may think, how do I know which coins are good and how can I find them? This is where we come to our second window, the trackers. This window here will be your Twitter tracker. You can add any handle you want, for example, Elon Musk. Boom. Now we have him added, and every time he tweets, we will see his tweet on this side. But there's not only Elon Musk to follow, there are many more. In this case, I will import my custom-made Twitter list, and now you can see tweets are popping up, and you can see it happens really fast. About 7 seconds ago, here, 4 seconds ago. So this tool is really fast. Many people pay for this, and Axiom has it for free. So this is also why you should use Axiom 100%. So based on the Twitter tracker, there will be news, and with every news, there will also be coins created by these news. For example, you can see Doge Designer tweeted tweeted, journalism is the backbone. And from here you can see there's already been made 2 coins. And none of them will really go because this is not a really good tweet. But from here you can see the example, coins are made instantly. For example, Kanye West tweeted and there's 3 coins about this topic. And if there's a really good tweet, for example, Elon Musk tweets a dog or a cat, people will make coins and these coins will definitely pick up because this is just what the crypto market and the crypto guys want to see. And let me tell you, you will not get rich by day one. You have to burn yourself, you have to get experience, and you have to know how the market works and how everything flows. But if you're really dedicated and you're really serious about it, you can make a lot of money in just a few weeks or months. Sometimes it takes months, but I would say it's worth the sacrifice. There will be days where you will stare at one screen for 12 hours where nothing happens and you will even lose money. But on the other side, you will also hit 5x, 10x's where you will 10 times your money. And those days or those coins are opportunities where you have to focus, you have to log in. And when you catch those coins early, you might get rich really fast. But again, be careful because you can also lose all of it just as you got it. So be careful and only trade with the money you can afford to lose. If you want to have my exact Twitter list, I will give you the access in my Discord below. And if you are a bit confused now and want to have a deeper look into the Twitter tracker, you can check this video. So now we can go to our rewards page and here we will see our actual rewards because Axiom has a feature where you trade on the platform and you earn coins and even Solana. So let's have a look at my other account where you can see that I've been trading for some time now and I can still claim some Solana, in this case a few bucks. And I started like 3 days ago and I've already made 0.1 Solana. This is like 15 bucks, which you get for free only by trading. And Axiom is the only website where you can get these rewards. There are also quests like in a video game where you can do these quests, for example, trade 5 more Sol in volume and you get levels. And the more levels you get, the more Solana you will also receive and the more chances you will get by receiving any airdrops in the future or something like this. And one more thing which is really important is tracking wallets. On the right side you have your Twitter tracker and on the left side you have your wallet manager. So I will also import my wallet list right here. And these are all the important wallets from smart people and calls. What is a call? Call means key opinion leader. These are influencers or experts who have a large following and which decisions might have a higher impact on the market. You can check them on callscan.io. They have a leaderboard here where you can see daily, weekly and monthly top traders. For example, Sentit made already 100 Sol today, $12,000 today. All the wallet addresses are public. You can copy them and just import them into Axiom and you will see anytime these people trade. So these people already made tons of money. For example, Orangey you can see made over $1 million. Jijo as well, almost at 1 million and so on. And anytime these wallets buy a new coin, you will see it here at the live trades. There are many people who are copying those wallets. I will not suggest you copying them, but having a look at them. For example, if many other people buy one coin, there's a high possibility that this coin might be good or would have a nice little pump. So now that you know most of the part, you will have to have a trading strategy. Here you will see the most common trading strategies, how to make lots of money in a few minutes and snipe those coins which are worth it. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and also leave a like if you like what you have been seeing. See you there.